Welcome to the Tax Administration Guide for the Fairfax County's Business, Professional, and Occupational License, or BPOL tax filing. In this video, we'll walk you through registering a new business for the BPOL tax. For guidance on how to renew an existing license, please view the resources on our website. Please review the disclaimer statement. Click I accept in order to proceed. To apply for a Fairfax County Business, Professional, and Occupational License for a new business, select New Business Application. In the Basic Information section, provide the required information about your business. Select your business organization type. Then, enter the Federal Employer Identification Number and/or Social Security number associated with the business. Enter the business name. If your business is incorporated, provide the corporate name. Enter the registered trade name of the business. Complete this field even if the trade name of the business is the same as the business owner name. In the following field, provide a detailed description of your business activities. Next, select the appropriate ordinance code from the provided dropdown. Ordinance codes are a general classification of your business activity from Fairfax County Code. Certain business classifications, such as retail merchants, may require additional fields to complete. Provide your North American Industry Classification Code to identify your primary business activity. Then, enter the date your business started in Fairfax County. If your start date was in a prior year, enter the actual gross receipts for each year listed on the page. You may be required to provide up to 6 years of prior actual gross receipts. If your business started in the current year, only estimated gross receipts for the current year are required. If you are claiming exclusions, please note that all exclusions are subject to audit, and additional information may be required. Then, enter your business address. This is the location of your business. Indicate whether the business you are seeking a license for operates from a commercial property or is a home-based business by selecting the appropriate option. In the address fields below, enter the business location address. If you're operating from your home, use your residential address. Use the Look Up Business Location Addresses button to find your location. For this, you will need to fill in the street name and select the correct address from the drop-down menu. After selecting an address, this feature will autofill the remaining location information fields. Next, provide your mailing address. If it is the same address, select the box to autofill the address information. This is where all official county correspondence will be sent. If your business operates from a leased commercial location, you will need to provide the premise owner name, annual rent, and address for this location. Click Next to continue. Review the summary of your filing information and check the box to certify is correct. Next, enter your business contact information including name, title, email, and phone number. Our office may reach out to the contact person listed here if additional information is required to process your application. When you have finished reviewing and are ready to finalize your application, click Submit. Once your application is submitted, the confirmation screen will load. Ensure that you save a copy of your application by clicking Print to PDF. After submission, the Tax Administration Office will review your application and send a bill to the mailing address provided. You may be contacted if clarification or additional documentation is required. Thank you for watching this guide to filing the BPOL application for new businesses. For more information, visit the Fairfax County Tax Administration website or reach out to our office at the contact information displayed here.